Hi there, welcome to my channel. Please hit the like button and subscribe. And for those who are already subscribed, thank you very much for your patronage. And this is sort of a small continuation of the log bed, the bunk bed, the log queen bunk bed. Maybe that's how you say it, I don't know. Anyways, it's behind me here, and what I've done is actually finished the sheathing for the bottom bunk. I gotta go get some more plywood for tomorrow so I can do the top bunk. And I put the ladder up. I finished the ladder, and this is what the ladder looks like. Okay, so if you look at it sideways, that's what the pieces look like, right? And I've notched the bottom so it hugs the floor, and also the way it's done here, I'm trying to get away from the glare from the light. The way it's done here is once you set foot here, you still have two pieces to hold on to on either side, the top of the ladder, and you just hop over the railing. Okay, and like I've already shown, top of the railing was made like this. It's removable. Okay. So for those who haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. There are some photos at the end of this video, and you can also go look at the previous video on this build, which was how to make a log bed. I think that's what it's called. Okay, and the date is 20/25, 11th month, 29th. Okay, bye.